Welcome to Mark's Motorsports and Farming channel. In this video, we are preparing the baler for the 2024 season, and this is another one of those cases where I did it off camera, and then I'll show you where everything is on a baler that it should be universal for the most part among the different brands. So first, obviously wherever there's a joint like that, there's usually a fitting. And then one thing that I might have forgot to mention in the last video or two, maintenance video, when you see it squared out like that, then you know it's got enough. I'm usually I've been pretty good about including that, but I think I missed that or forgot to mention that in the last maintenance video or two. And here too. And this one has little arrows pointing with a picture of a grease gun in there where they all are. So if you see that, then that's certainly a helpful thing, and then you know that there's a grease fitting there. Not all balers have push bars like this one does, but that's what most of this is for here. And the same way this side. And some of the wheel bearings like that are greasable, but this one apparently is not, because I couldn't find a grease fitting there. But these guide wheels, on the other hand, I did find fittings for it, and there too, you see that squared out, then you know it's got enough. But otherwise, you look for where there's a joint like that lid that I just closed, and that's what a lot of those lids are for too, is to help keep dust and whatnot off of those areas. So but anyway, the baler's ready to go. So the next time you see this baler in a video, we'll actually be baling with it. So with that, I thank you guys for watching these videos. That's certainly appreciated. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and for those that are new to farming or not very familiar, that they found it educational. Stay tuned for upcoming videos as things progress. Be sure to click on the like button, and if you haven't already, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And then once you're subscribed, then be sure to click on the bell. You'll be notified whenever a new video is posted. Be sure to follow Mark's Motorsports and Farming channel on Facebook as well. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you later.